Hi my healthy friends, this is a recipe, vegan, gluten-free and nutritious, how to make a quinoa patties. Let's start it. Let's get a bunch of kale into a blender. 3 to 4 spring onions or green onion. 1 carrot. Parsley, celery, walnuts pulverized, garlic, cumin, paprika, and salt. So just a little bit of plant-based milk. So just check your consistency because it has to be a little bit thicker. You will see and I'll show you in a moment. Just blend until you have the consistency that I'm going to show you. Check if you really need extra milk, otherwise just use the spatula and scrub around. But you need to make sure that it's not very liquid, okay? This one is getting bind together, so this is what I like to have. This consistency. Thick, manageable. Let's transfer the mixture into a bowl where we're going to mix with the quinoa. You can add from 1 up to 2 cups of quinoa into this mixture. I'm just putting 1 cup now and see how it looks. I'm going to add an extra half a cup of quinoa to add more consistency. We are ready to make the patties. I'm just putting some plastic glove because it manages better. You can do it with bare hands if you want it. Just like that. If your mixture is not thick enough, add half a cup of flour. Any gluten-free flour can make it. But at the moment, this one doesn't have any flour. Can you see the consistency? Pretty good. We got them all ready now. We're going to the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes, making sure they're not burning on fan force. Patties are ready and crunchy and super delicious. Let's try it on. Yummy.